Before we talk about how you can get traffic from YouTube, let's understand how YouTube gets its own traffic. The basic source is direct traffic. These are the visitors who have come to YouTube through bookmarks, or they've set YouTube as their homepage, or they might be typing YouTube's URL in their address bars. This is incidentally the kind of traffic that Google and Facebook get. Google is the most popular website in the world, as you already know, and Facebook is number 2. These two websites get most of the traffic in the form of direct visitors. But YouTube, it gets a large chunk from other sources too. The second most important source is search engines. Now the search engines, all of them, including Google and Bing and many others, they index YouTube videos, and they return the YouTube videos as a part of their search results. And you know what? YouTube videos are actually given a special category. Whenever a video is returned as a part of the search results, a thumbnail might also appear next to it. This means that when people see a video on the search results, they will be actually drawn to it and they will want to click on it more often than they see a regular search result because of the thumbnail. And in some search engines like Bing, the videos are actually embedded, so they can be played right from within the search engine, which will make them even more clickable. So the search engines are a very important source of traffic for YouTube, and this is organic traffic. YouTube also does its own part in getting visitors to the website. It sends out a lot of email notification to its members. So, if a member has signed up on YouTube, they will be notified about the fresh content that YouTube thinks will interest them, and they will also receive notifications about new videos on the channels they are subscribed to. And YouTube sends out information about all the new things they are doing. This helps keep the viewer interested and keeps them coming back to the website again and again. And then there's the social media sharing, which is a big contributor to traffic on YouTube. All the major social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, and many others have great features for sharing of videos. Whenever someone shares a video on these sites, the visitors will see the video titles and in most cases a thumbnail and some text describing the video. This is a great source of referral traffic on YouTube because people will click the links recommended to them by their friends very often. So YouTube has the same sources of organic traffic like any other website that's content based. And now let's discuss how you can get a chunk of this huge amount of organic traffic that YouTube gets every day.